Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, May 5th. Let's see what we do for today. It is an async day. That means we will not meet on Zoom as a class. First, watch this video, then click async. You have two activities. Your first activity is in Mel. You will read this article. If you go to Mel and you go to assignments, you will read this article and do the questions associated with that assignment. Your next async assignment is another sequencing activity similar to the one you did yesterday. Please remember, friends, to sign into your Carlos Rosario email and then come back to Schoology, click My Document, and click Edit. All right, you do not need to share with me. So here is the assignment. So you are going to number each in a sequence, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences to put in order. After you do that, you will put these sentences in a paragraph. All right, please make sure you read all of the instructions before you start. It's very, very important because it has some transitions you can use, and also you will need to put some check for spelling and grammar, right? So make sure you read everything before you start, and then you will submit. Okay. Now, there won't be any office hours, but if you are available in the evening, every Wednesday from 6 to 8, the DC Library has speaking circles so you can practice English conversation. So here is the link for the Zoom. If you are able to, please go and enjoy this. All right. They do have it on Wednesday mornings, but I don't have the Zoom link yet. So this is the one for the evening. If you are able to, I know not everyone is available, but if you are available to go, please try and go so you can talk to other people. Okay. And that's it for today. Good luck.